Hi from AlphaCars in Northampton, New Hampshire. Today I want to share with you a 2012 Porsche Cayenne S. It's a beautiful blue over tan color combination with black wheels, red calipers, and new tires, new all-season tires. So we do specialize in high-end European inventory here, so this Cayenne is no exception. It presents beautifully all the way around the car, and I will actually go ahead and share the details, front, side, rear, under the hood. We'll go ahead and start it up, get that exhaust revving a little bit, and talk a little bit about what we've done to make this car absolutely perfect. Let's go ahead and check out the driver's side. This color combination is gorgeous. I love the detailing on this car too. I mean, you've got these little aluminum strakes here. The buttons are in great condition with the chrome all there. Memory seats, power seats on both sides, and it is a heated steering wheel. A lot of people forget that with these cars because the button's kind of hidden. It is right back here. That's your heated steering wheel button there. Of course, as with all Porsches, you have the left ignition, like the Le Mans style starts. We'll go ahead and put the key in there, if I didn't just drop it on the floor. Let's try that again. Close the door, nice and quiet in here. You can see we've got 52,000 miles on this Cayenne. Gauges look a lot like they would in a 911, with your oil temperature on the left, oil pressure on the left, speedometer, digital odometer, rev counter right in the middle. Your menu here with lots of adjustable options, which you would scroll through on the steering wheel here. You can see us going through. We've got everything from navigation to your radio controls, to your vehicle temperature and conditions, tire pressures. We've got the analog clock up here ticking the seconds away. Touchscreen infotainment system with navigation. And you know, some people are getting comfortable with tablets in their cars these days, big old screen stuck on top of the dash. Personally, I love this with all the buttons right on the center console. I like tactile buttons. I like touching buttons, switches. I was one of those kids that would press any button that was put in front of him on his toys and all that good stuff. So now we play with grown-up toys these days. We've got your climate control and fan controls for both driver and passenger over here. We've got a little storage compartment. More climate controls. This is to make your climates the same. So if I were to press mono mode, you can see it switched over to high here, and they match on both sides. Radio controls, navigation, we can put the map on here. Nice full color display, no burnt out pixels. Up above, let's keep it moving here. We've got all the controls for the sunroof, lighting. The sunroof does work. And we'll introduce that cold January or almost January air here in New Hampshire. Seats are in excellent condition. You can see the stitched leather here. Effectively zero wear on the bolsters. Car's looking good. Let's hop into the back and pop the trunk. We just had the seats down for a customer a minute ago, so let's go ahead and put those up. One nice thing about these seats is they're actually reclinable. So if you were to hit the lever here, not only does it fold them down, but it does fold the seats or move the seats a little bit backwards as well. Got your HVAC ventilation here, some storage compartments, and again, seats are in excellent condition. Now here in the back, we've got all-weather mats for this Cayenne. It's a really nice plus. They are Porsche factory mats, including the big one here in the hatch. The S has these rectangular exhaust tips on it. Sounds great. Let's see if you can get a little audible on the idle here. Give it a couple of revs. Hard to believe that a Cayenne with 52,000 miles on it, the big Porsche V8, only $27,995 here at AlphaCars. So we really hope you'll come down and check this out. It's a lot of fun to drive, plenty of power, beautiful style, and it's aged gracefully because this car, even though it's a 2012, still has the same body style of Cayennes many, many years later. So my name's Mike. I'm here with Rodolfo. Please give us a call here in New Hampshire and check out our Cayenne.